What's up, guys? So we got the new GS right here, and we are going to take it to Cobe so we can give her the old 1-2, go over it, check it over, see how it is. So we're gonna go swap this thing out for the Jzx90 and get that Jzx90 home so we can start fitting the body kit and making her look good. That's Kinsey over there. Fresh damage for the G37. Gotta love it. But let's go check on Keaton. See if we're ready to go. We got the charger. Let's do the deed. Hank, you gotta stay here. Oh.
No,
Hank. Come on, Hank. See you, pal.
This thing seriously floats like a boat. Oh, that's not the bad wheel. I was thinking it's your side. I was surprised we can't hear that thing squealing. How's the back, Kinsey? Give us a rundown. You're now a vlogger. We need to know how that back seat... What's that? You got this one. It sounds like up here too.
I didn't put my seatbelt on.
Nice. Yes, you do. Are you kidding me?
Oh, we have to put seatbelts on? Alright, fine.
Smell.
That's called burnt tire, baby. And it's gonna have more power, which means it's gonna have more burnt tire. How's your cluster looking?
It's
She
not,
lit up?
It's not overheating. Yeah. We got a... squealing.
Was the tow arm or anything bent back there?
No bolt. So it's just, I think, one around.
You can get that much adjustment. Oh!
This is the sketchiest thing I've ever been in.
This is the safest vehicle you could be
You haven't
in.
even rode the Jzx yet. It doesn't have brakes.
Huh?
Jzx does not have brakes.
I heard you. It is a mod. Wood grain and all.
Black interior is not. Alright, honey, you can shut up for now. Need that for the JTX.
Get him rolling! Yeah! Oh. Yeah, buddy! Yeah, what'd you think of that? That was hot, right? Can't do much.
It's kind of all over the place, so it's got some air in her.
Yeah. Definitely.
Just did a burn ski in her.
My friend.
What you know?
Nice to see the Jzx again.
Cobe, what all did you do?
Lights, and got rid of all the wiring for the sub. Kind of just went over it.
You better make it snappy.
Oh, wiring right there, you never want it.
Did you miss her?
Me?
Yeah.
It's a little ugly, but yeah.
Yeah,
I
you.
should make her look a little less ugly.
Because that is what you do.
Less ugly is the goal, yep.
Now, the orange spray paint down here, don't understand that.
Well,
If you go over it with black, it gets rid of it.
That will do. I just want like a mild. I don't like hot stuff.
like medium or mild? Mild.
Alright, we got the hoopty out here. Had to get the hoopty home so we can start working on her, fitting the body kit, you know. Do the deed.
Should not have cars. You should not have cars over here like this, but you do. That's sweet. Jeez.
As long as we aren't gonna lose this, I'm happy.
Ferrari.
Poor man for Robert. It'll hold, it's all good.
Cusco.
The tube hasn't seen the Jzx. Ooh, look at that.
Oh.
Laid out. Look at this. Don't need pieces when you got screws.
Heckin' A right, bud.
Oh,
She's still carrying current.
That's all that matters. Alright.
It got me too.
See you guys later. Oh yeah, I was gonna get this as well. For what?
Can't do it.
Yes, parts.
Guys, stop showing your drug deals on camera.
Alright, go start it. Yeah.
So you gotta play with it and then hold it. Let me get my beat real quick. Hold that. I guess you can take it off.
So this is what I did earlier and it worked.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Go, 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 go. Oh. Good. Whoa.
How are you?
That thing a hammy? Alright, my hip's cramping. Oh, thank you. I know I might be a young buck, but
Got lucky.
there's times that what?
Feel old?
Hold it. I don't like.
I can't. I'm
letting this
holding it.
stuff
I
touch.
got two. I know, but I can't. My hands are full. Guys, I am getting really angry.
Don't leave that. Make sure it's running. Dang it. I don't like letting stuff
Here,
touch.
I know, but I ain't got any freaking hands to offer.
We're good.
Ain't got no money and I got that dang bitch. Dude, are these for some mirrors? Some true Jap mirrors? Get that hunk out of the way! Alright, Dad. I'm ready for school. Snake skin. This is some Australian.
New Zealand.
No, but there's a meme. New boot goofing, pops them up on the table. Australian leather, or authentic Australian leather, something like that. This guy's balling in the road with a soccer ball. That is not the road to be balling in.
Can't wait to hit the brakes.
How do they feel? To the floor?
Yeah.
That's not good. Maybe try reverse first, just in case, since it's uphill. No, he's going for it. Oh, you got brakes. You got brakes.
Clear that way?
Yep, good.
I think we're gonna hear someone get hit by a car before they hit us.
Yeah.
Let's see how fast we can go and see how fast we don't stop.
That sounds like a freaking great plan.
Drive's great though. It almost feels like it has Hikis. Does it feel like there's a little bit of rear steer?
As far as I know, it's disconnected though. If it is on there. I wouldn't be using it that much, man.
I don't want to, but we're kind of picking up speed here.
I
Put
mean,
over half a thing of like I have a big brake fluid. I put over half of it in there because it was empty.
how many guys in flat bills does it take to total a GS? I didn't. Hi, Russell! Hi, Russell! I'm your biggest fan! Skid marks.
Good.
Love you, boys.
Oh, you should have done the 0 to 60, man. We were flying.
A lot of people might not understand that.
Yeah, hot rod's
put in there.
Uh-huh. Keep her coming. Keep it coming. Oh. Well, that'll work too. That'll work too. Oh man. Alright, let's let the crackhead out.
Power. We gotta put the windows up.
Oh.